Has a mesh basket for draining and cooking vegetables, pasta, proteins, etc. Deep basket can be used as a colander for straining, blanching, and rinsing. To steam. Fill with water and boil, add basket, and cook to desired doneness. Tempered glass lid with steam vent makes viewing food easy from start to finish. Works on induction, gas, electric, glass, ceramic, halogen, etc. Dishwasher safe. The Cook & Home 4-quart 3-piece Vegetable Asparagus Steamer Pot. Stainless steel has a mesh basket for cooking vegetables, pasta, proteins, etc. Mesh design drains liquids quickly. Deep basket can be used as a colander for straining, blanching, and rinsing. For steaming. Fill water to below basket level, add basket when boiling, and cook to desired doneness. Tempered glass lid with steam vent makes viewing food easy from start to finish. Induction compatible. Works on gas, electric, glass, ceramic, halogen, etc. Oven safe to 500 F, glass lid to 350 F. Dishwasher safe, hand wash strainer. Top reviews from the United States. Asparagus lover. I have been looking for this products for years in our local stores. The first time I seen a product like this was in the Gurney Seed catalog. But unfortunately it was too high for me to buy. And I was tickled I saw I could buy it at Amazon. The price was still high but not as high as some others. It is a cute little pot and the one I purchase has a basket that is a wire mesh insert. That way the water can boil all the asparagus stalks. Would buy from this buyer again. Love my asparagus cooker, would recommend and I love this little product. Thank you so much.